Iceps student, we are going to do the internal and external integration, which is as for the internal, it will be integrated with between the Iceps and the HTTP system, which is Iceps act as the service provider while the HTTP system is for the service client. And for the external integration, we will get the Gmail API that to be integrated with the HTTP system in order to get the verification state to the that we will send to the student from the HCP. And the reason why we develop this system is because we have identified two problems, which are the first problem is students have to register twice for the registration, which is the student who are the RPI for the ATM need to register Iceps system for behalf on the new intake student, while the new intake student need to register again their information in the HEP system. And for that, in order to get the verification status from the HEP, from the ATM, student need to check from time to time the verification status of their application form in the website of your ATM. I will pass to my friend to explain about the project objective, system integration, and the development of our system.
I will continue the objective. The first project objective is system integration between internal and external system. As the internal integration system, it will be integrated between Iceps and HAP system, while for external integration will be integrated between HAP system and Gmail API. The second objective is the verification status of student application form, while will be noticed to student directly by sending the email for them.
Moving on to the system integration between internal and external system. As we can see, the internal integration system is between Iceps system and HEP system, where Iceps act as a service provider that will send or request the application form through internet network to HEP system, which is act as a service broker that will respond to the application form status. Then, after HEP system verify the registration, the system will integrate with the external system, which is using Gmail API that purpose to send application status, where internet network will be the intermediate in order to notify students about the application status by sending email using Gmail.
Okay, now let's move on to the demonstration of the system. We have developed two systems that are internal system in UITM. The systems have been integrated to each other. First, we have the Iceps that are only able to create or register the new students. So let's register the new students. Okay, after we have done fill in all of the information of the students, just click register button and it will appear the student's name, which means the registration have been success. So now let's move on to the HTTP admission system. In this system, it will get the data from Iceps because it have been integrated with the database, and it will show the student list, and this is the new student records that have been registered earlier. In this system, actually act as an admin because it able to update and control the status of the student, either approve or decline. Okay, now let's see. We update the status of the new student that have been registered earlier. For example, we want to approve the admission of the students by click approve button, and it will appear the pop-up that say do you want to approve this record, and just click OK. Then it will bring you to the view student status here. So the record of the student have been approved. Okay, so that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter to explain more about this system. Thank you.
Okay, continue for the next page of the HEP system, which is the view student status. In this page, it view the student status which have been approved or declined that have been made earlier. So in this page, the admin can send email or delete the specific student. So I'm going to show you the send email. So this email will be sent to the student's email that have been inserted earlier. So I'm going to say Nurfatin Shamira email, so she will get an approved email. So when I click send, it will pop up this. Click OK. So when the email have been sent, the system will directly the page to the HTTP page. Okay. Now it have been direct to the HTTP main page. So that means the admin has sent the email to the student. So when I check the email, so the student received the email that have been sent by the HTTP, which is approved. And there's also an attachment to the student. Okay, next I'm going to show you the delete. So the admin can delete the student, the specific student. So if I want to delete Anya, I can just simply click the delete button and it will pop up. So if you want to delete, you click OK. So the Anya student is no longer in the table list. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.